The next few slides we will discuss an algorithm which is called Euclidean algorithm, and this algorithm is one of the very basic algorithms of computer science, and it finds applications in cryptography and other domains, and is one of the oldest known algorithms. It's credited to a Greek mathematician whose name was Euclid. And it is another way to find the greatest common divisor of two integers a and b, a very efficient way to find the greatest common divisor of large numbers. Okay, so let's try to understand this algorithm by using this example. Let's say if we want to find the greatest common divisor of the two numbers 287 and 91. In the first step, instead of finding the GCD, we divide the larger number by the smaller one and try to find out the remainder. For example, you can express by using the divisibility theorem, we can express 287 as 91, which is the divisor, times the quotient plus the remainder. So 14 is the remainder of the division algorithm when 287 is divided by 91. Okay. So let's say if we express this equation in such a way that we take this term 91 times 3 to the left hand side so that it comes with a negative sign, and then we identify that we can express 14 as a combination of 287 and 91, which were the original numbers, times minus 3, which is the quotient. Okay. Now if we use this property that we studied at the start of this chapter, that if a divides b, then a also divides the product bc for all integers c. So if we are trying to find the greatest common divisor, then this will be a divisor common to both 287 and 91. Okay. And since this divisor is common to 91, it is also going to be common to 91 times minus 3. Okay. And since it is common to both 287 and 91 times minus 3, so it is also going to be a common divisor to their sum. So whatever the greatest common divisor of these two numbers is a divisor of this one and a divisor of this product. So it's also a divisor of this sum, which means that this GCD is also a divisor of 14. So the smart part of the Euclidean algorithm is that instead of finding the greatest common divisor of these bigger numbers,